Are you ladies waiting for Flixbus as well?
Yes.
Great. We're all waiting for Flixbus.
Amazing.
You sell tickets?
The food truck does.
Oh, whoa! If you want ticket, you buy it here.
Right.
That's
you can
cool.
also purchase it on our app or website.
Yeah.
I think your ride is on time. Last I checked.
Oh.
Next bus in at 9 o'clock.
Yeah.
Should be here shortly.
It's 9.
Should be here any moment.
Hi, how are you? I'm here in DT LA, downtown LA, waiting for my Flixbus. And I'll be riding the Flixbus towards Palm Springs. It's just gonna be a 2-hour California road trip. So I did not get all fancy and got the choose seats or no neighbors option for extra bucks. By the way, this video is dedicated to Robert, who said, "What a lousy review. Spend more time talking about bus stations, obviously the pits, than the bus." In my last video, Flixbus overnight honest review. But this time, I will make sure that we spend a lot of time inside the bus and see how it is there. I also filmed daytime for better lighting. By the way, I know you don't want the pit stop review, but I have to tell you that this is near Union Station, but also right next to the prison. You won't get lost because there's Flixbus signs all over, and I'm not sure about being here at night, just be with the crowd. Coffee for the driver.
Oh, thank you. Snacks for the road. Just appreciation from the
There's the driver's seat right here, and then you go up. So you see there's seat belts. But there's no actual height there. And there's a handle right here. This is by Volvo. The bus is almost empty. And here's the distance. Is it? No seats. I don't think you have to pay for the neighbor option. Okay. It's working. There is this overhead cabin. And yeah, people actually use it. Right there. Are you a solo traveler? Nice. Where are you going?
Riverside.
Ah. Do you do this often?
Yes.
Do you find it safe?
Yeah.
Right here you see you have a stepper. Right? So oh wow, you actually have that socket. That's pretty cool. You can actually lean it back. A car window, just in case. Check out Wi-Fi right now. I don't know. I would think this is the one. You have this, because it's hot, right? So you have this one. It's pretty cool. Yeah. There's TV. The TV doesn't work. Let's check the restroom. But, oh, that's the bin right there. So you know if it's empty or not.
Making a video.
Yes. Yeah, let's open this up and see how it is. So yeah, that's it. It's quite small, but it's very useful, especially for a long trip. It's nice that there's a window there. Just upstairs, trash can. You don't wash your hands, but you have this thing. 0, 0. Yep, no. I just want to say how big the windows are. Yep. The windows are large. Yeah. Thank you. That's a good ride. Bye. Overall, I think Flixbus is an amazing ride. The ride was so smooth. The bus inside was so clean, very comfortable. It's a convenient ride from LA to Palm Springs, really. It's just 2 hours. I saw different kinds of people here, from tourists to locals. I've seen students, I've seen solo female travelers. I've seen a daughter drop off her mom over here to ride the bus. So I think it's really cool. Hope you enjoyed that review of FlixBus. I'll be here in Palm Springs and doing the best restaurants, best things to do, and best place to stay here in Palm Springs. So I would appreciate if you would like and subscribe.